On WordPress Dashboard, choose Theme Editor from the Appearance option. So here it is, giving us a heads up stating you appear to be making direct edits to your theme in the WordPress dashboard, and it's recommending not to do it. It may break your site, and our changes may be lost. It's also recommending to use a file manager and keep a copy of the original so your data may not be lost. To continue, click on this I Understand button. So this is your site's source code, and on the right, you'll see all the files. Preview your theme functions file, or you can view the main index template single page file. You can also view single post file. This is your file for your post. Go to your site and select one post. So this is your post, and here at the end, you have a comment section. So here we have this end of the loop code. Let's copy the code somewhere before editing. Keep it in a notepad file. Now, delete the part of the code from here and click on this Update File button. Back to your site and refresh it. It's showing an error message stating that the site is experiencing some technical difficulties. If you paste the code again, back to its place. Now, refresh the site and you can see all the changes have been restored. So that's with a single post. You can make changes with the main index file as well. We also have footer option here and a separate theme footer file here. Open it. This is all the coding for your site footer. Same coding file we have for comments as well. And that's pretty much everything with the WordPress Theme Editor. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about WordPress plugins. We'll see step by step how to install and activate new plugins in your WordPress dashboard. We'll see step by step how to install and activate new plugins in your WordPress dashboard. So let's get started. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins. Choose Add New option. You can install plugins from here. Search plugins from Featured, Popular, Recommended, and Favorites. Or you can search it directly from this search box. Let's search something for Contact Form. Here we can see all the relatable plugins. We are going to select the top one. It has 5 million plus active installations and is compatible with our WordPress version with its last updated details. So click on this Install Now button. It's installed. Then click on this Activate button. You can see all your installed plugins here. You can come here directly from this Installed Plugins option. So from here, you can delete some unnecessary plugins or deactivate the ones you don't need. You can also activate it again from here only. After activation, the plugin is added here on the dashboard. So that's pretty much everything with the WordPress plugins. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn step by step how to set menus in WordPress. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and select Menus. This is your menu editing page. You can create your first menu here. Insert menu name, then click on this Create Menu button. So here it is showing most recent pages. Select the pages you want to add to the menu, and click on this Add to Menu button. You can also insert links in the menu from this Custom Links option. Here, enter the URL and text that's displayed with it. Then click on Add to Menu button. You can also add categories. Select the one you want and click on this Add to Menu button. So everything is added successfully here. You just need to drag and drop them in order to set them. Drag it above and drop it, or drag one inside another and drop it there. This way, it will be a submenu of the above one. So set the menus accordingly, and then click on this Save Menu button. Next tab is Manage Locations. Go to it. So here in this theme, we have got 3 locations: primary, secondary, social. Choose the location and the menu you want to display at this location. Then click on the Save Changes. Go back to your site and refresh it. You'll see the menu appeared on your set location. Go back to Edit Menus, and here, change the menu position. Click on Save Menu, and again refresh your site. You can see the positions have been updated here. Now this is one menu. You can create a new one by clicking on this Create a New Menu option. So repeat the process, give your menu a name, then click on Create Menu button. Again, add menu items, pages, links, posts, categories, whatever you want. Select them and click on Add to Menu button. Now arrange the menu in the order you want, and then click on Save Menu button. Go back to Manage Locations and choose a menu location. Select the menu you want to display at the location and click on Save Changes. Go to your site and refresh it. So here is our Menu 1, and on the right, we have our Menu 2. Menu 2 is Home, WordPress, and then Tips. Go back to Edit Menus. It's Menu 2 showing exact same Home, WordPress, and Tips just like on our site. If you want to edit another menu, select it from this drop-down list and click on this Select button. So Menu 1 is opened for editing. It's Home, About Us, and WordPress, the same as your site. A little below, you can see Delete Menu option, so you can delete the one you want. Select the menu you want to delete and click on this Delete Menu option. It's asking for confirmation because it will be deleted permanently. Click OK to continue, and the menu will be deleted. Back to your site and refresh it. You'll see Menu 1 is the same and Menu 2 has been removed. So this is how you work with WordPress Menus option. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about WordPress widgets. We'll see step by step how to set and edit widgets on your WordPress sites.